And the next one is to the next way to do market research is to join a Facebook group. So Facebook has a lot of groups, and if you type in your subject name, let's say English course, you can find a lot of public and private groups. What I would suggest is you go join a group even before creating your online course. Let's say you have this idea of creating your online course. What I would suggest is you join a Facebook group. You join multiple Facebook groups, like 5 to 6 groups you can join. Same way you can also be active on Quora. What you would want to do is you go to these groups and you go and see what all questions students are posting related to your subjects. And even before creating your course, you can start off by taking 30 to 40 minutes every day to answer each question. You'll be building your credibility way before you're starting your online course. Students will know you that there is an educator who is actually helping us solve our questions. So you will already be building your credibility by answering questions in the Facebook group or Quora. So and once say you have answered, you're active, like say within 2 weeks or first 1 to 2 weeks you're kind of active, you have answered like 10 to 12 or 10 to 15 questions. You can actually create a poll in Facebook asking students that you are a teacher and you would want their input on creating an online course. So this way, when you see the real struggles of people, when you talk to people about their struggles, you will get very insightful information to create your online course. Maybe you may not have the knowledge right now to create the course, but it will give you the clear direction on what you need to learn so that you can create your first online course. So this is the way to do market research using all the social media platforms. So what we have done right now is we are collecting different questions that audience are actually posting on say Google, Facebook, Quora and YouTube, right? So this can be little tedious when you are starting with. Now one tool that can help you to do market research a little more easily is to use Google's keyword planner. So Google has a free keyword planner. You can type in keyword planner on Google and you will find the link towards it, and you can just sign in with your email ID and you can access this keyword planner. So here what you can do is you can search your query, let's say English course. So Google will automatically suggest you questions or queries that people are actually looking for online. So for example, say English course, English speaking course, it will give you different permutation and combination of your seed keyword or the question that you have asked. So what you need to do is you need to sort the results based on the average monthly searches, and you have to select a question and here you can see what is the average number of monthly searches that you are getting for that particular keyword. For example, in the case of English courses, spoken English or English speaking course gets somewhere around 10,000 to 100,000 of average monthly searches, meaning almost 1 lakh people are actually searching for this particular course. So which means this is just an indicator to show that whether the topic that you're taking has a significant market demand. But keyword planner is ideally not it won't give you the exact amount of traffic. It'll give you an estimate of what traffic you can expect and whether the competition, which you can see on the right side, you can see a column called competition. It'll also show you whether it is easy to rank or whether it is tough to rank for that particular keyword. For that particular question. But so use keyword planner to help with your research, but in general I would suggest that you go to Facebook groups or Quora or Google suggests to get those questions and use your knowledge and the market research that you have done to create your first online course topic.